So guys, for the first step, on your keyboard, you want to click on the Windows button plus R at the same time. You want to click on Windows plus R, and now this will come up, the run box. And now once you're in the run box, you want to type in task mgr.exe, click on enter, and now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you want to click on run new task, and now this box will come up. Now once you're in this box, you want to type in cmd.exe. Now you want to tick create this task with admin privileges, and then click on OK. And now command prompt will come up. And now once you're on this, you're going to type in WUAUCOT space / detect now. Click on enter. And now you're going to type in SFC space / scan now, and then click on enter. Now you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, we're now going to type in DISM space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health. Click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, for the last step, you're going to click on Control, Alt and Delete at the same time on your keyboard. Control, Alt and Delete. You're going to click on that. And now this will come up. In the bottom right, you're going to click on the power icon. Now you're going to click on restart. You want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.